How to create and edit forms in the report/checklist feature. To create a new report, form, or checklist, click on the Add New button and enter a name for your report. If you need a specific user to complete this report, perhaps because they have certain knowledge, experience, or responsibilities, you can select that user here. If not, simply continue, and the report will be available to all of your users. Click Next, and this is where we can begin customizing our fields. For this first field, I'm going to create a notes or description section. This field can be as long or as short as you need it to be, depending on the information you want your employees to provide. In this case, I'm going to mark it as required, which means employees won't be able to submit the report unless this field is completed. Next, I'll add another field. Under field type, you can choose from several options, including checkboxes, color text, dates, device information, email, option sections, selection fields, time fields, signatures, and more. For this report, I need my employees to provide a date, so I'll select the date field and make it required. I'm also going to add a time field and make that required as well. Finally, I need a signature field, and this will also be required. If you need to reorganize your fields, you can simply drag and drop them into the desired order. Once everything looks good, click Next. Here we can customize the advanced options. We always recommend leaving GPS coordinates enabled. This allows you to verify that the report was submitted from the correct location. Next, we can choose the type of media we want to collect with the report. In this example, I only need employees to upload photos, and those photos are required. I would also like them to have the option to upload a video, but the video is not required. If they want to add one, they can, but it isn't necessary. We can also choose whether photos and videos can be uploaded from the device's gallery, camera, or camera only. The camera only option is useful if you want employees to take pictures in real time and prevent them from uploading images that may have been taken days earlier and already exist in their gallery. Next, we have the immediate notification option. When enabled, an email notification is sent whenever this report is submitted. This feature is most commonly used for maintenance issue reports or incident reports because it immediately notifies the appropriate person that something requiring attention has occurred. For example, if this report is submitted 100 times, the selected recipient will receive 100 emails. That's why we only recommend using this option for reports involving maintenance issues, security incidents, or anything that needs to be addressed right away. This section is customized just like creating an email. You can add recipients, include people in CC, customize the subject line, choose the name of the attachment, select the attachment format, whether it's a PDF, HTML link, or Excel spreadsheet, and customize the body of the email. Once everything is configured, click Save and Preview. Here you'll see a preview of how your report will appear to your employees, including the date, time, notes, and signature fields. And just like that, your report has been created. If you ever need to edit a report, simply click on its name. This is the report we just created. From here, you can add or remove users, modify existing fields, or delete fields you no longer need. For example, let's say we no longer need the time field. We can delete it and add a new field instead. In this case, I want employees to select their name from a drop-down list, so I'll add that field and make it required. Click Next. Let's also say that I no longer need immediate notifications, so I'll disable that option. Finally, click Save and Preview, and that's it. Here, we can see all the changes we made to the report.